Hi guys! Welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy Mikey and today merong kakaiba sa video natin kasi minsan nararamdaman ko, hindi naman lagi, na nakakatamad mag-mod or mag-build ng computer mag-isa. Kaya nag-invite tayo ng special guest and ito yung mga nangyari.
G? Dug, 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 dug. Ay, kita mo na tayo dito, no? Okay.
Hi guys! Welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy Mikey. I'm here today with Kang and this segment is called Mod With Me. By the way, Kang right here, she's a cosplayer, content creator, she does a lot of stuff. So in terms of DIY, how do you rate yourself from like 1 to 10?
DIY? Actually, I've been cosplaying for 8 years and I'm doing my costume by myself. So when it comes to DIY, I think I can rate myself 80 over 100.
Okay, 200.
Because first off, what I get is like EVA foam, if you know that. And I just sketch stuff there and poof, it becomes a costume. So I think I can do well with modding.
Right.
Well, not
like
great, but well.
Yan. Nasa pangatlong screw na po siya.
Ay, dapat pala pinutol mo.
Oo nga! Ano yan? Mahirap. Alisin mo na ako. Kunti pa lang yung screw.
Pero syempre, wag na natin yun, lagay yun ha.
She did that. Nothing!
Tecware, may reklamo po si Mikey.
Mas jack sa kanya. Ito lang natatanggal na ganito.
Yung discrew lang.
Discrew ba? Discrew. Discrew.
Discrew.
Okay, so we've mounted the motherboard
Go to the camera. There.
to in the case. Alright. Stop.
Yeah. Down. There. Perfect. 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 Yes, perfect.
I'll hold it down and then get the screws.
I already fixed this already.
That's there you go.
Then
It should go in here. The 4+4 UPS 12 volt.
okay, I guess I'm done. That's good enough for me. Next. Okay, so since we're done with the build now, we're gonna start with the mod.
Alright, so the plan is to give this empty space right here at the front with a touch of the colors that's in the case itself or on the parts, which are pink, white, or some gray. The way we have to do it is just line this up on the table.
Actually, we need squares, a lot of squares here in the build, so...
Yeah, because maybe we should tell them what we have in mind. Because it's some kind of like a Tetris patterns.
Yeah.
Then it'll be a different colors. So we're gonna need like blocks, squares, like over here and up front, and Kang's logo as well.
I told you it's for starters, just squares everywhere.
You can like hold it right here and then snap it.
here and snap it.
Yep. See?
Wow!
Like
That's
saltine
easy.
crackers. You can snap it off like that. So, let's say you've got this painted already, so you can put it there and put some patterns, add a little more character to your already awesome build.
Already
And,
awesome.
So that's how you do it the simple way with tools that you can easily access. But for this build, we're going to continue this using 60 watt laser cutter.
Paano mo ba gagawin niya?
So, ito yan, di ba? Saan ba mas maganda ito? Ito, gamitin mo.
Napapala ka.
Oh! Wow! Ah! Ang ganda! Good!
So, Erica, ilang pink at ilang gray yung kailangan natin?
Pink, kailangan natin 11.
11. 2, 11. Okay.
Plus 14 na gray.
So, malamang ito na lahat yun.
Sorry. Saan nakakabili ng acrylic?
Meron sa may Binondo.
At dinadayo mo pa talaga yun?
Jerry bumibili. Hindi, pero meron kaming binibili na bago. Doon din bumibili sa may ano siya, Banday. Hanggang Gilmore.
Done!
Ito yung 14.
11 for the pink. Let's skin it now. Gano'n kalayo?
So, kung paano ka nagpipitura ng costume mo?
Ganyan. Paano ka ba? Ikaw nga, paano?
Ikaw muna.
Baka magkamali.
Hindi yan. Kahit ano. Okay na yan. Try mo na. Ganyan ka mag-spray.
Ano ba?
Ako ganito.
Ay, ganun ba? Ay, ganun ba? Sige.
Yan! Galaw mo yung kamay mo. Naman na, baka overspray. Mamaya ulit.
Bili-bili na kayo.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
So, ayan, siguro at this point gusto nyo nang makita yung kinalabasan ng build. Kaya ito na siya. That is it for this episode of Mod with me. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung build, comment. And kung hindi, comment niyo na lang din. Please subscribe for more kasi una pa lang yan. May mga kasunod pa. Makikipag-collaborate tayo sa mga kaibigan natin sa internet at sa totoong buhay. Kaya ayun na muna sa ngayon. Maraming salamat. Peace!